Episode 2, and wait, was I wearing the shirt last time? Episode 2, and we're back. Yeah, the holidays are over, but Fender sent me this delightfully ugly Christmas sweater, and I feel like I just have to show it off because, I mean, look at it. I'm gonna get right to the unboxing, partly because I'm excited about what we have going on today, and also because YouTube tells me that viewers have a 2-minute attention span at best, so let's get going. So for today's product, I will say it's a Black & Decker product. I'll also say that is not Black & Decker's logo. There was no Black & Decker logo visible on the box, so I tried to recreate it a little differently because I don't understand how copyright infringement works and I don't want to get sued. So let's open it up, and if you want to know more about the specs and stats and what to look for in this product, I don't want to spoil it. Oh, it already says the name in the title. Yeah, still learning. So if you want to know more about what to look for in a drill set, stick around because I had to learn it myself and I'm happy to pass it on to you. All right, say it with me now. What's in the Josh box? Oh, what's in the box, Josh? All right, here we go. Black & Decker Matrix Drill Bundle. Okay. No, wait. This part's still taped. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this. This is some beautiful packaging right here. Whoa! This is the adult equivalent of getting a Bob the Builder set, but at your late 30s. This is it. This is so cool. Okay, so the Black & Decker Matrix. This was the only drill with this color scheme that I saw. It's pretty unique. Let's open it up. Got everything laid out here. Woof! It's got that new drill smell. Okay, so we got the drill. Not that heavy. Is it charged up? Oh, that is ready to go. Ooh, yes. So this has the 20-volt lithium battery, and the one thing I do know about Black & Decker's batteries is that they can be easily taken off and swapped out into other Black & Decker appliances. All right, and we've got this attachment here. Oh, we got this sander attachment. It seems to like me. Yeah, so there's sander attachment, and you got your other drivers and attachments here. We'll talk about those more in a minute. Part of the charm of this channel is I'm learning as you do. Then we got instructions here. Okay, there's more than just instructions here. There's other sander attachments. Looks like more sanders for the sander attachment, a slightly different one. Got a Allen wrench in there, some screwdriver heads, a wood and metal measurement clampy clamp, another wrench, saw blade, and the AC plug. And then the instructions. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like for idiots like me, there's instructions for literally every different attachment. There's one for the impact driver attachment. See, I totally knew what that was. The sanding attachment, oscillating tool attachment. Ooh, what this? I think this is just what I said before about the battery, redesigned battery being able to be interchangeable in all their products. The router attachment and the overall manual. And the jigsaw attachment too. So right off, there's a few things I really liked about this. First off, a light comes on whenever you drill, so you can see in the dark and tight spaces and creepy cellars and wherever you're drilling, there's always going to be a light. Another little thing that makes a big difference is this magnetic piece right here that holds screws in place so you don't lose them when you're drilling. The speed increases as you pull the trigger. Lightly, a little more, and full on. It's also pretty light. I feel like you could work with this above your head for a while and it would not fatigue your arms and shoulders and all the rest of your body. Just realized I think I know why I love this. Oh, really? Stop. I'm saying the reason I think I realized I love this color scheme so much reminds me of the Nintendo Zapper. Watch out, ducks. Battery is also really easy to pop off and put back on again, and also charge. There, and then you've got a handy meter to tell you how full the battery is too. Oh, and also how hot the battery is. Okay, so to recap what's in the box, you've got the main drill. Oh right, the battery's not attached. You've got the drill, you've got the battery, sander attachment, and sandy pads, jigsaw attachment with little jigsaw blade, the impact driver attachment, the router attachment, the oscillating tool attachment, Allen wrench with some washer and nut attachments for the attachments, some drill bits, measurement attachment, the AC plug, battery charger. Wait, did I already say that? And instructions for every one of the attachments. And of course, this beautiful carrying case. But wait, there's more. Oh, no there's not. As far as instructions go, these are brief, but they're pretty thorough. They give all your safety precautions, how to use the attachments, and a bunch of troubleshooting for when you screw it up. And the fact that there's instructions for every one of the attachments makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for. Removing and replacing each attachment is pretty easy. You just put the slider to the center position, hold down that button, and ooh, don't, that's not it. Okay, hold this down, and there we go. There we go, pops out. And replacing it is just as easy. So that's what's in the box, and now to talk a little bit more about what to look for if you're actually thinking of buying a drill set. But first, this sweater's getting really itchy. Ooh, much better. Okay, so the reason you should get a drill set and not a drill is because different drill attachments and bits are meant for different things. For doing simple drilling through wood, regular drills should be fine. And for even tougher stuff like brick and concrete, you're gonna need a driver. Then for more specific things like sanding, yeah, that's where the sander comes in. For making clean cuts around edges, that's where the router attachment comes in. Then for cutting out specific shapes and tight, precise, specific curves and designs, that's where the jigsaw attachment comes in. Where did I put that? Where's the jigsaw attachment? Black & Decker should really invent some sort of case where you can put all the attachments and keep them organized. Oh, find it later. So what else? The battery. Battery's awesome on this thing. Like I said before, you can swap this out into other Black & Decker appliances. There's an indicator on the charger to tell you when it's full, when it's broken, or when it's overheating. And a fully charged battery can last up to 18 months. 18 months. You could get pregnant, have a baby, get pregnant again, have another baby, and this would still have a charge. The charger also has a hot and cold pack delay, which if it's too hot or too cold, it'll delay until it's a safe temperature to charge it up. You'll also need different bits with different tips before you drill into anything like cement or cinder blocks, so please check before you break anything. One last thing to think about is the cord versus cordless debate. It may seem like cordless is the way to go because you can take it anywhere and move it around. Downside is having a battery run out in the middle of a project can be really annoying. And though it does a great job of holding a charge for 18 months, that doesn't mean it's going to stay full for 18 months when you're constantly using it. Batteries do run out, and the cool thing about this is, yes, you can replace it with another battery and then you have a full tank to keep going, but that's going to run out too eventually. So if you're looking for a drill to use at a stationary workbench that's not going anywhere, a corded one might be the way to go. But for just general home repairs and DIY projects that you might be wanting to get into, this is a good one. And that's what's in the box. If you want to buy the Black & Decker Matrix drill set, it's $179.99 on Amazon as of right now. As always, I'm not paid to give these reviews, but if you want to purchase the product, there's a link below and you will help support this channel through the Amazon Associates program. That's it. We'll see you next time on What's in the Box, Josh.